am here to teach you maths. Okay, now we are in the chapter 1, place value. What is it? Exercise 1.3. We are in the third exercise. Okay, compare each pair of numbers and put less than or greater than or less than. So this is greater than, this is less than. Greater than means big number, big number. Less than means small number. The point always in the direction of a small number. Okay, first one see 113. This is 1120. So this is 113. This is 1120. So 113 is smaller than 1120, right? So less than means small. Small means this symbol, less than. Okay, and what I told you, the point always in the direction of a small number. Okay, next one see. This is 8. This is 2618. We all know this is a big number. So the big number means greater than symbol, greater. I told you the point always in the direction of a small number. Okay, next one see. 8 ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands means 8,592. 9,582. So 8,000 is big or 9,000 is big? 9,000. So 8,000 is small than 9,000. 8,000 is smaller than 9,000. So smaller means less than. So the point is always in the direction of a small number. Okay, next one see. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So 6,129. 6,058. So see 6,129 is bigger than 58. So 129 is big, right? Big means greater. 6,129 is greater than 6,058. Okay, 6,129 is greater than 6,058. Next one, 2,716, 2,713. This is 16, 13. 2,700 common both sides. This is 16, 13. So 16 is big than 13, right? So 16 is greater. Greater means big. This symbol. Okay, the point is in the direction of a small number. Okay, let's see from the starting onwards. This is 113. This is 1120. So 113 is smaller, right? So 113 is less than this number. And 2618 is greater than 8. 8592 is less than 9582. 6129 is greater than 6058. 2716 is greater than 2713. Okay, next coming to the B Roman. Circle the smallest number. We have to circle the smallest number. See, this is 3205, 4289, 3526, 3010. First number, see, this is 4. So big number. We have to circle the smaller number only. See, this is 3, this is 3, this is 3. Equal. Next number 3, 2, 5, 0. So 2, 5, 0. When compared to these three numbers, 0 is the smallest number, right? So 3010 is the smallest number. Next one see. Next one see. This is 4, 3, 7, 7. 7, 7 equal. Okay, so take this one. 4, 3. When compared to 4 and 3, 3 is the smallest number, right? So this number is the smallest. 3740 is the smallest number. Next one see. 1080, 1800, 8001. So 1, 1, 1, 8. This is the biggest number. Leave that one. Next take 0, 8 to 0. So 8 is the big. This one also leave. Next 0, 0. So next number take 0, 0 equal. Here 8, here 0. So 0 is the small, right, when compared to the 8. Okay, again see from the starting onwards. This is 3205, 4289, 3526, 3010. Now compare to these three numbers, 3010 is the smallest number. So I am circling that number. Here 3740 is the smallest number when compared to remaining numbers. And here 1008 is the smallest number when compared to the remaining numbers. Okay, note down. Next one, see, cross out the biggest number. Here we have to cross the biggest number. 651 now, 2162, 6215, 1215. When compared to the all numbers, 6215 is the biggest number, right? So cross the number. Cross the number. Next one, see. 5882. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay. See. 5882. 3678. 8249. 8924. So 5000, 3000 is smaller. Leave it. 8000 to 8000. Next one, 8200 to 8900. So when compared to 8200, 8900 is the biggest number. So cross this one. Okay, next one, see. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So 6160, 6061, 6610, 6110. All are sixes starting with. After that 1, 0, 6, 1. So 0 is the small number, 1 is the small number. So 6600 is the biggest number. So cross this number. Okay, we have to compare the place values with each and every number, and we have to cross the highest number. In this first sum, 6215 is the biggest number. In the second one, 8924 is the biggest number. In the third one, 6610 is the biggest number. Okay, note it down. Next one, see. Rewrite the numbers in increasing or ascending order. Increasing means small number to big number. Increasing or ascending order. Ascending order is nothing but small number to big number. For example, see, 3, 2, 6, 1. These are the numbers. We have to write the ascending order means small number to big number. What is the small number here? 1. What is the second small number here? 2. What is the third small number here? 3. What is the fourth small number here? 6. Okay, here we have to write the small number to big number. Okay, first see. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Here observe one thing, children. Thousands, thousands, thousands. This is the only 100. Okay, 100 is the small number, right? So 375. This one I have written. So wrong. And it is complete item monkey. Okay, take this one. After that 1375, 3175, 7153. Among these three numbers, what is the smallest number? 1000. So 1375. After this, these two numbers remaining. These two numbers remaining. Okay, this is the 3000, this is the 7000. When compared to these two numbers, which is the smallest number? 3000. So 3000. After that 7000, last number. Okay, next one, see this one also. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 4000. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 5000. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 2000. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 5000. See, 4000 to 5000 to 2000 to 5000. When compared to these remaining numbers, 2000 is the smallest number. So 2586. Okay, so this one is over. Next one, see 4500, 5000, 5000. When compared to 5000, 4000 is the smallest number. So I am writing this second smallest number. After that see 5000 5000. Next one see 5500 5600. When compared to the 600, 500 is the smallest number. So 5500. After that 5658. Okay, next one see 1959 1529 1259 1925. So 900, 500, 200, 900. When compared to all numbers, 200 is the smallest number. So 1259. This one is completed. Next one 900, 500, 900. So 500 is the smallest number. 1529. Next 1900. See 19 to 19 same. Third one compare. This is the number 5. This is the number 2. So when compared to 5, 2 is the small number. So 1925. Next 1959. Okay children, see here ascending order means smallest number to biggest number. See when compared to all numbers 375 is the smallest number. After that 1300. After that 3000, 7000. See 100, 1000, 3000, 7000. It is increasing. Means I am writing the smallest number, second smallest number, third smallest number, fourth smallest number. Same like here 2000, 4000, 5500, 5600. Next 1259. After that 1500, 1900, 1900. Okay. This is how to write the increasing order means ascending order, smallest number to biggest number. Okay, note down this one. Okay children, in the next class we will discuss the descending order. Descending order means biggest number to smallest number. How to write the biggest number to smallest number. Okay, thank you children, note down this one. We will get back to you in the next class.